Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of eye-catching thumbnails, specifically those that have helped YouTubers like MrBeast go viral. MrBeast is known for his crazy videos, outrageous challenges, and of course, his insanely clickable thumbnails. But have you ever wondered how they're made? Well, today we're going to unlock the secret and show you how to create similar thumbnails yourself using a cool tool called Glif.app. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. This means a lot to me. To get started, we can actually take inspiration from MrBeast himself. Let's head over to his YouTube channel. Here, we can browse through his videos and see what kind of thumbnails typically grab attention. Look for elements like bold colors, contrasting text, and of course, that element of surprise or intrigue. To download his video thumbnails, just copy the video link and head over to YouTubeThumbnailDownloader.com. Paste the video link, and that's it. It will list HD, medium, and small size thumbnails of that video. Just click the thumbnail, and it will open up in a new tab. There you can right-click and save it as an image. It's that simple. I will give the link below. Now, once you've downloaded some MrBeast thumbnails or chosen a few from your browsing, we want to use a website called Image-to-Prompt. This website will help us create text descriptions based on the downloaded images. Head over to Image-to-Prompt.com. Choose the Image-to-Prompt option on the homepage. Click Upload Image and select one of the downloaded MrBeast thumbnails. The website will generate a few text prompts based on the image. These prompts will capture the key elements of the thumbnail, like colors, emotions, and the overall theme. If the generated image prompt is not good, don't worry, I have another solution. You can use ChatGPT to generate image prompts easily. Head over to ChatGPT, drag and drop the MrBeast thumbnail image, and first ask it to describe the image for prompting. In ChatGPT, using step-by-step prompting works great when starting for the first time. Once you've guided ChatGPT, it will do the job easily. After that first message from ChatGPT, you can now ask it to give me this as a prompt, and it will do its job. After this, copy the prompts and paste them into Notepad for easy use. Now comes the fun part. We're going to use Glif.app to create stunning thumbnails based on the text prompts we generated. Head over to Glif.app. In the search bar, enter YouTube Thumbnail Maker. From the search results, you can use this specific glyph created by Socket or explore others that might suit your needs better. If you check the page, it will be filled with lots of thumbnail generation images. These are created by different users. Now paste the first text prompt you generated from image to prompt into the Glif input field. Click Run this Glif. Glif will use its AI magic to create a thumbnail based on your prompt. Scroll through the generated thumbnails. You might see some amazing options right away. You can download and share them easily from there, or you can tweak the prompt a little and try again for more variations. The generated image has carried the theme of our referred image. Now we'll try our ChatGPT generated prompt from the MrBeast image. Paste the prompt and press Run this Glif. For each generation, this particular glyph will take around 27 seconds. Look at the output. The image is great, except for the multiple footballs in the generated image. You don't need to worry about this. You just need Canva, Resizing, or any in-painting tools to remove these extra elements. Or you can generate the images again to get the proper output. This particular glyph uses ComfyUI with prompt enhancement features and some pre-planned template prompting. That's why each image generated by this looks grand and fits perfectly for a YouTube thumbnail. Now, again, I tried to create a similar thumbnail from MrBeast, the poor and rich type of output. This time, I used ChatGPT to get the prompt. It has given the prompt very well. Usually, split-screen image generation is tough for all models. For thumbnails, we need to create each image separately first and then attach them afterward. But here, we're going to test with this Glif. Look at the output. It has given us what we wanted. It's working great on split-screen prompts too. It has given the torn t-shirts for the first person and a NASA spacesuit for the next person, and the same globe-like thing from our MrBeast thumbnail here too. It's just outperforming. We just need to swap the faces using any free AI tools later. That's the only thing we need to do. Again, I decided to test a complex thumbnail created by MrBeast. This time, I chose the one which is football-based, with t-shirts and two teams standing lined up and facing each other. ChatGPT gave a detailed prompt. Let's try this in Glif. Look at the output. It's almost the same. We just need to change the faces based on our preferences. Using Canva, you can resize the generated person's images easily. The fingers and facial features are almost good-looking. You can also directly use this as a thumbnail if you want. As you all know, even ChatGPT has some limitations on reading files. So I decided to try Mistral.AI's latest chat. I uploaded the first file and asked it to give me this as a prompt. But the prompt was not good. However, I didn't want to give up and tried to check with another image. This time, it almost gave me a detailed, good prompt from analyzing that image. Let's try it on Glif. Wow, look at the output. It shocked me. This thumbnail image created by this Glif is greater than the MrBeast thumbnail. Look at the bear and the person's reaction. It just nailed it. Now, I tried to create a prison-based thumbnail for MrBeast. I gave the prompt in Glif. The generated image is good, not bad. Maybe trying multiple times will give some better results. Again, let's try the poor and rich split-screen image prompt. Mistral.AI just did the job and gave me a detailed prompt. I gave the prompt to Glif. This time it gave the image based on the prompt, but the poor-looking person's image was not as we liked it. Improving the prompt ourselves may help get the proper output like the others. Remember, there is a 20 image generation limit per account per day. It's enough to achieve your goals, but if you want more generations for free, try using different accounts. So there you have it. With a bit of inspiration from MrBeast, some help from image to prompt, and the power of Glif.app, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that will grab attention and get your videos the clicks they deserve. Here are some additional tips. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and Glif options. Remember, MrBeast's thumbnails often have a sense of urgency or humor. Try to capture that feeling in your own prompts. Use high-quality visuals and clear, contrasting text. A/B-test different thumbnails to see what resonates best with your audience. Outro. I hope this video helped you unlock the secrets to creating viral thumbnails like MrBeast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video creation tips and tricks. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share some of your own thumbnail creation hacks. Until next time, happy creating!